Hello and welcome to my next review on the channel. In today's video I'll make a review about this Chelsea jersey which I bought from Minejersey.cn, and I'll show you every little detail on the jersey as well as coupon codes and other ways to earn a lot of money on this website to buy these jerseys really cheap. But now let's start with this piece of paper. This is nothing too interesting, but this one is what you're looking for, because on this paper you find two coupon codes, NS6 and NS11, and also that you can get cash coupon which you can add to these coupons if you write either reviews or you make a video review like this one. But now let's start with the Chelsea jersey, because this one is a really nice looking jersey. It's size M, and I'll also measure it. This one is a fan version jersey, so it's not a player version, which means it's not slim fit, it's straight, and also it's not similar with what the players wear, but it's a jersey made for fans. But now let's look at the overall jersey. This is how it looks like, with this little badge on the bottom of the jersey. This is the sponsor logo on the chest of the jersey, heat pressed with this white material, and here is the Chelsea logo and the Nike logo, both embroidered on the jersey, so they will definitely stay here even after washes because they are not heat pressed or glued. And on the left sleeve, the whale fin sponsor logo. This one is heat pressed with this white material, and of course on the right sleeve the Champions League badges. I'll also show you these in detail, and the color of the jersey. First of all, it even has this small button which is a real button, so it's not a fake button, as you can see. And I really like the color of the collar of this jersey, and also the material, which is this elastic material with this aqua blue color, and this is how it looks like. It's a really nice looking jersey, and this one is size M and dry fit technology, as you can see. And yeah, this would be all about the front of the jersey. Now let's go to the back. This one is customized, and you probably know that you can customize any jersey with the original font and original printing of the numbers and the letters, even with this Premier League logo on the bottom of the jersey. This is this nice looking number 7 and the name. Yeah, this would be all, nothing more to show on the back of the jersey. A simple blue color material. It has a really interesting material. Maybe you can also see it on camera. I will try to show it to you in some closer shots, but yeah, this would be all. And now I will also measure the jersey, so you see the exact sizes as I promised. So let's see. It's 66 centimeters here on the side and 70 centimeters here on the middle, and below shoulders it's 52 centimeters. So this is the size of the jersey, fan version, Nike, and size M. If you plan to buy any jerseys on this website, Minejersey, don't forget to use the link in the description down below, because you can save $5 on your first order. If you have any more questions about this jersey or about the website, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, this would be all. Goodbye.